actually about the moment. Right as I woke up, I made myself an instant espresso. So that's like that good Nescafe Gold that I discovered, Natalia, when we were in Spain together. It was the first time I had ever had that. So I was just thinking of even you these past few days, as I've been making myself an instant espresso in the morning, that is just part of a ritual. So other things I'm excited about has been like taking on vibe coding projects has been a thing that I'm learning a lot about, like no code solutions where, it just feels like the right time to be building an idea or to be in operations and understanding a problem without having a extensive team that I need to be working with. Could just be solving things, which is wild. I think that's taking up a lot of like fun mental bandwidth is a framework for social like profiles and dynamics that's based on role-playing games. So thinking like party dynamics with a cleric and a fighter and a rogue and a mage, and then how these sort of starting profiles along with our adaptive layer, like our learned experience, creates a one of 16 archetypes, and then like kind of mapping back everything from like psychoses and ways that we would show up at parties and communication dynamics through the lens of like fantasy games. And it's just been such a fun like mental exercise to be building content around. I don't know what it's going to do yet, but it's just been fun. So I'm in Austin right now. So since 2020 had set up, I would have called it like home base here, but then even depending on the season, like I split a lot of time historically between New York and here. So tend to be in New York for any reason, like conference, friend's birthday, anything like that will get me back up in New York. I do still wind up missing a lot in both places. So like I absolutely recognize that there's a tax to living between two cities, but it's for the past like year and a half, it's really just felt like willing to embrace the trade-offs, but it's felt like pretty great to live between the cities. Still spend a lot of time with my parents. I'll like dip down to Florida for a week or two at a time just to get like I would call it a mundane week, but there is something beautiful about getting to just watch movies and hang out with my parents, because like I never got to do that as a kid. We didn't have time in the way that I now do, that can just be in each other's company and run errands together. And what else is top of mind? I'm still primarily working with Momentum Education, which is like a transformation education company. So I'm very much in that space and acquainted with it. 2021, 22, when I was in Portugal, I had a less of a role. I don't even remember what I was doing then, but I've worked right alongside the founder as the operator. So I do everything from reporting and revenue projections to marketing, to even took over like all of the graphics, to doing the client ops, I make sure the business runs. I also started working with another celebrity coach and helping her develop her program, which has been unsurprisingly more managing the person than it is the project, but working with big personalities. But that's been fun in and of itself. And what else is sort of fun? So I moved into this new place 3 months ago, and it's very much starting to feel like mine. So like have a lot of art on the walls and eclectic furniture and good lighting, as you could see, So like, yes, that is a lamp in the bathroom because why not? So it's been like it's been really fun to have a place that feels like and can call my own, especially after about a year and change of just doing like kind of short-term stays and bouncing around between cities. So, yeah. Any questions that y'all have that I could answer while I still have the microphone?